Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Another theme segment when it comes to growth and income stocks. This one, the restaurant group, with Rob Plaza, who is our growth and income stock strategist at Zacks.com. You've got a couple of stock picks in this category that are both in the restaurant group, Yum Brands being the first, YUM, the ticker symbol, operating quick service restaurants around the world.
Yeah, you know them as Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell. But the reason that you want to look at Yum Brands, I mean, obviously we've got healthier consumer, healthier economy. They want to spend a little bit more. But their growth is coming from China. They have about 37,000 restaurants, 3,500 of which are located in China.
Right.
Not only that, but they're growing at about 15% a year. That's they're opening new stores. So they anticipate the Chinese are going to want to shop or go
out and eat more.
Go spend a little bit more, yeah.
At least when it comes to fast food.
Yeah, and it's growth and income stock characteristics. 11.5% long-term earnings growth is what analysts expect, and then a 2.0% dividend yield.
Okay,
looks pretty good. Still trades at about 17 times 2010 earnings. Last quarter they beat by 6 cents, and that makes 5 quarters in a row now that they've beaten by an average of about 14%. Mm-hmm. And then consensus estimates are up 3% in the last 2 months and holding steady. So that looks pretty good.
All right, and then Cracker Barrel, CBRL,
yeah.
Ticker symbol. That's that roadside restaurant you see when you're on the highway.
That's right. You're not going to buy Cracker Barrel based on Chinese growth. You're
I didn't think so for some reason. But
Cracker Barrel's got about 600 restaurants, and they're all, like you said, all located along the highways and byways of America. And what they like to do, I mean, the ticket price is pretty low. It's about $8, but it's still a sit-down meal. And then they all have gift shops where they try and bring in and sell you overpriced merchandise while you're on the road.
Right. And they do a good job at it, too.
They do. They do. They keep you locked in. It's growth and income characteristics, 10.5% long-term earnings growth expected, and a 1.6% dividend yield. So you get paid a pretty decent amount just to hang around and wait. The stock price has doubled since August, but it still trades at only 12 times fiscal 2011 estimates. So stock price isn't out of whack. And one thing that I think you'll see Cracker Barrel benefit for, at least this summer, is as the price of oil's gone down, the price of gas has come way down.
Yep.
And if all your customers are traveling on the highway, waiting for, looking for a meal, they'll have a couple extra dollars in their pocket. They might stop at a Cracker Barrel versus a Dairy Queen or McDonald's or quick serve restaurant. So they should benefit from that. Another company that they beat by 3 cents fiscal third quarter. Makes 5 quarters in a row they've beaten by an average of about 18%.
Okay.
And estimates are up about 2% in the last week. So things are looking good for Cracker Barrel as well.
I enjoy sitting in the rocking chair on the front stoop there at those Cracker Barrels. To be honest with you, it's just a way to relax, and just take the edge off of the trip.
Well, that's part of their charm or part of their hook to bring people in.
Right.
Is that it's not a McDonald's. It's not zipping you in, zipping you out. I mean, you've been on the road. Maybe you want to stretch your legs, get out, and just relax for about an hour.
Or rock in the rocking chair.
Or rock in the rocking chair.
If you're old like I am. Do you own either of these two?
No, I don't.
All right. Check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas on our homepage at Zacks.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you hear me say it all the time, but if you've never been to the website and you're accessing these videos from outside of Zacks.com, it's important to take note that in that upper right-hand corner is where we put 4 new Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas for you daily, one in each of the investing categories written about, Rob's included, growth and income. And then if you were to, let's say, click on the latest headline next to the growth and income category, Rob's category, you would go to the most recent story that he's written on a growth and income stock, and then at the bottom of that story page, there would be a short archive of some other stocks in that same category that Rob has written about. I'm glad I explained all of that and took the time. With Rob Plaza, I'm Terry Ruffalo.